Yes, and with that, welcome back. Today is the big final video of our little video series on surfaces and Swizzer spray wax. Today, the big finale has arrived. Today, we're going to try to tackle these two products with one of the sharpest tools here. And we also have the synthetic spray wax from ADBL with us. And since I want to test new products for you anyway, we're going to take this down today. And I've brought the chemical heavy hitter in the form of Stjärnagloss Först, and then the mechanical chemical heavy hitter, so the combination here from Dr. Wack Intensive Cleaner. And we're going to test that together today, Wack Intensive Cleaner. And we're going to test that together today. How well do the two or three products, what are they? We're going to start with the Stjärnagloss Först. And I think this is going to be the ultimate super stress test here at the end. Let's take a look. Have fun. So here we have the condition. Right now, we've added another week. And you can see here that some dirt has accumulated on the vehicle. You can see it well here. There's a light layer of dust that isn't super obvious due to the reflection outside, but I think you can clearly see that some dirt spots settled here. I'm trying to get it a bit into focus, but it's not that easy. But let's spray it on and take a look at how the two, or rather three products repel water. Now, I'll fill the rest of the water into the wash bucket because I need it for a follow-up video. So let's use the rinse program and our super curved lance here, and we'll spray it on first and see how it performs. So now we're going to use three products again, and then I'll fill the rest of the water into the wash bucket because I need it for follow-up video. So now let's use the rinse program and our super curved lance here, and we'll spray it on first and see how it performs. There's also a gentle spray here, which is great for observing how it behaves. So the synthetic spray wax is still doing really well here. And here we already have some of the small differences that we also captured in the last video. So now let's take it off. Now let's test together with the Stjärnagloss Först whether the spray sealants can handle this. Strong alkaline pre-cleaner, really. One of the absolute best, truly powerful for regular use on a spray sealant. Maybe not the most suitable 2021 unless, and I've already made a video about this, if you reapply the sealant after 2 or 3 washes to keep it fresh. And that's actually the main purpose or main use of a spray sealant, that you can just quickly apply it again. I think that's nice. And even, yeah, it's running off everywhere. You can also go long up here. 1,000 is more than enough for the test. We can also take a look at the exposure time on the back, 2 to 5 minutes. Let's wait 3 minutes. It's really a very, very powerful cleaner. Let's just spray it on and see how well the three of them hold up now. It could also be that all three are completely destroyed. That's definitely a result that can happen. Let's just take a look and let it sit for a bit this time. So, the time has slowly come. Let's rinse it off clearly and check how much they've suffered. So, what we can clearly say is that the Stjärnagloss Först is just a weapon and has really taken down all three products consistently. A bit of time has passed now. Here too, we have to say clearly that with the residues that are still on, just like with what we saw earlier, the synthetic spray wax is really beating off nicely, and the Först just does its job. So, it's actually nice to have a first video here now. If you're looking for a pre-cleaner that really packs a punch to remove sealant residues, then the First is just the right choice. Yeah, and that was kind of the finale here, complete destruction with the standard cloth First. It's just a really strong cleaner. You've also seen here for insect residues really, if you want to establish a basic level of cleanliness first. It's not a product that you take to the self-service box every Saturday and just casually spray the whole car down, or even mix something up with the First X, with the concentrate for example. Mix something up for you. It's really a true weapon, and that's why it's so popular, because the physical cleaning action is ideal, but not for the Saturday routine maintenance. Of course it showed that again, the 3 had to give in. I can use this again for new tests. Thank you very much. Until next time, until the next video. You're Sebastian. Questions? Drop them in comments. A thumbs up is appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe.